Combined method of transformer maintenance by GlobeCore. Let us service a power transformer. The transformer is taken offline. Oil is drained from the transformer. To do so, we use one of the GlobeCore CMM-4D units. The unit is connected to the transformer and to an oil storage container. The oil is pumped from the transformer to the container. The CMM-4D unit is connected to the oil container. Oil purification mode is engaged. While the oil is being purified, we connect the GlobeCore Mojave Heat unit to the transformer to protect its windings from moisture while the transformer is not airtight. Mojave Heat creates excess pressure in the transformer tank, preventing moist atmospheric air from entering. The Mojave Heat unit is engaged and the transformer tank is purged with dry hot air. While the tank of the transformer is filled with dry air and mechanics are busy repairing it, the CMM-4D unit keeps purifying the oil. When the necessary transformer repairs are complete, the Mojave Heat unit is disengaged and disconnected. The CMM-4D is stopped. CMM-4D outlet is switched from the oil container to the transformer. The purified and degassed oil is filled into the transformer. When a new transformer is commissioned, or if an old transformer is opened, we recommend using GlobeCore's vacuum unit before filling the transformer with oil. This unit creates high vacuum in the transformer, drying the insulation. Combined application of GlobeCore units allows for quick and reliable transformer service, significantly extending transformer life. For more information, visit our website www.globecore.com.